So YouTube stopped paying me in my other channels that are monetized. If you don't know, I run 5 YouTube channels and I've monetized 4 out of those 5 YouTube channels. But recently, I stopped getting paid. Normally, when you are monetized on YouTube, it means YouTube is paying you for every content that you upload on the platform, right? But recently, I realized I was not getting paid, and that is because of some certain things which I'm going to be sharing with you today in this video, so that in case you are not coming YouTuber or you are here as an existing YouTuber on the platform, you shouldn't do either of these things that I did, else YouTube will stop paying you. YouTube can stop paying you even if they've monetized your channel. They can actually stop paying you. They can cut you off. Like, YouTube does not send you, they don't even think of, like, you are dispensable when it comes to YouTube, okay? So that is just to make you understand that you need to do some certain things right so that they will not cut you off, just like the way they did to me. So currently, this is what I've been earning for the last 3 months out of my 2 YouTube channels. I'm going to use 2 YouTube channels as case studies, right? So this is what I earned for the month of May, and this is what I earned for the month of June, right? Now you can see that it is not quite impressive at all. Like, in a whole month, I cannot be earning this. This is something that I usually earn about 300, 400, and sometimes the least is 100 and something. Now I am now reduced to earning this. Like, make it make sense. But then again, after a lot of back and forth, after a lot of sitting down thinking what I have done wrong and stuff like that, I realized that I did 2 things that made YouTube to reduce my revenue drastically, and I'm going to share with you so that you should avoid it. Really, if you don't want to wake up month end, that's 22, where everybody is cashing out and smiling on YouTube, and then you are seeing something like this, if you don't want it for yourself, then you need to watch this video to avoid this mistake. Mistake number 1 was I stopped uploading videos on YouTube. Yes, for these 2 channels, I stopped uploading for a period of time, like it was more than 6 months. I did not upload on either of this video, on either of this channel, and that is not because I didn't want to upload, right? Life got in. I am married, I have kids, I have a husband, I have my business. I run 3 businesses, and it's taking a whole lot of time, energy, effort, concentration, and everything from me. So also carrying 5 YouTube channels alongside all of these things can be really, really demanding, and so at some point I had to give up some for some, and then I stopped uploading on YouTube. Now, don't get me wrong, of course, if you stop uploading on YouTube will not automatically cut you off, except you stay for a period of 6 whole months, more than 6 whole months, without uploading anything, whether in short or whether in your long form content. YouTube is going to cut you off. They are going to demonetize your channel. Yes, if you don't upload for straight 6 months, either short or long form, they are going to cut you off. But they can't cut you off because you are not uploading consistently, right? Say for example, in that 6 months you were able to upload 2-3 videos, they will not cut you off. But me, I was not really consistent. In that 6 months, I could upload maybe like 2 or 3 videos, right? So that was why I was not really getting so much from my earnings. That's number 1, I was not consistent. Number 2, the kind of videos I was making in those 2 channels are not evergreen content. Evergreen content are content that people can watch today, is still relevant, they watch it tomorrow, it's still relevant, they watch it another day, next year, in future time, is still relevant. Those are evergreen content. And evergreen content as a creator here on YouTube space is something that you want to focus on, especially if you want to make money long term, because the more people watch your videos on YouTube, the more money you make, right? So you want to make sure that people are watching your video consistently, and for them to watch your videos consistently, the videos has to be value packed, and they have to be evergreen videos, meaning they are valuable videos that people need today, they need it tomorrow, they need it next tomorrow, they need it for a long time, like all in a lifetime, right? Now, if you do content around that, even when you are stressed or life gets in the way, you will be able to still make tangible amount of money, unlike myself. So I wasn't consistent, and my contents were not really evergreen like that in 2 of this channel. So that was the reason why I couldn't get good payouts at the end of these 2 months, right? It has been like that, but then again, I thank God that I've been able to sort out myself, and I'm back again on the space, uploading content regularly, and this time, of course, making sure that my contents are evergreen. So if you are a YouTuber or an intending creator or trying to start up on the YouTube space, make sure the niche that you find yourself is an evergreen niche, that any content you create on that particular niche is going to be evergreen content, because of course these are the content that are going to help save you when you are down, tired, or life gets in the way anytime, whether you are monetized or not. You don't want a situation where you will not be getting watch time hours even if you are not on the space, because that is one thing about YouTube income. It is passive, right? But you have to do it very well so that it can be passive for you. If you don't do it very well, it will not be passive for you, right? And that is why evergreen content are very, very okay. I have created a video talking about the kind of niche that you should be doing or you should choose when it comes to starting up your own YouTube channel. I have a link to that video in my description box. It's going to help you, especially as an upcoming YouTuber, for you to be able to pick content that you can do very well, and that is going to be something that people will keep coming back to your channel for, so that whenever you monetize your channel, even if you are not monetized right now, so that whenever you monetize your channel, you'll be able to keep making profits or keep making money consistently, even if you are not available on your channel, or even if you've not been uploading videos on your channel. I hope this video has helped you. I don't want this video to be too long, but if it has, let me know in the comment section. If you miss me, let me know in the comment section. You guys, I'm fully back, and I'm hopeful that I'll be consistent with creating content this time. And of course, yes, I'm glad to come back to you guys. Thank you so much for staying, and thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.